we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Concrete pools need the most maintenance of all three types, and it can be very expensive, $27,400 over 10 years. Vinyl liner pools need a little less, so the maintenance costs less, $11,500 over 10 years. Fiberglass pools need the least maintenance, and they cost the least, $3,750 over 10 years.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.